Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the Movement project. This is Movement Labs. We are going to check very early what you can do in the DevNet and in the ecosystem, so we start paying attention to this airdrop from the beginning. Like always in my videos, I'm going to explain you a little bit about the project, the important points, and then we go step by step with everything that you can check right now. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, this video is about this project Movement Labs, and this is super early. They are not even in the testnet. We are going to check the DevNet, but they confirm in the Discord that the testnet is very soon. So when the testnet goes live, I'm probably going to cover that again. But for now, I'm going to show you something about the project. It's a very interesting protocol involving layer 1 and layer 2 solutions. And I think we should start to looking at this project from the beginning. So Movement Labs is building a network of Move-based blockchains. Our flagship networks are M1 and M2. M1 is a community-first blockchain providing the highest possible TPS through Move, instant finality, native day zero access to mass liquidity, and modular customizations. M1 will transition into becoming a decentralized shard sequencer for the Movement network through its mainnet line. And M2 will be the first Move layer 2 on Ethereum. It will support Sui Move, Aptos Move, and also our embedded AVM interpreter MEVM, empowering both Sui, Aptos, and AVM users to use the layer 2. Important points about this project is that Movement raised a disclosed 52 million, so you can check this of course in CryptoRank going to fundraising. You can see 41.4 is what was disclosed, but this is very important. In May 1st, Binance Labs entered as a new investor, and this is not counted in the total amount raised here, so we don't know exactly how much money they put here, but this happened a couple of days ago, so this has been very big news. That is why there are some people talking about Movement too. And of course, each time that Binance is behind a project, it's a very easy listing on their blockchain, so that will be a very interesting point on everything here. So the website is Movement Labs. You can check everything here, the links for the different things like ecosystem, documentation. The ecosystem is going to grow very quickly. Remember that this is not even in testnet right now, but the testnet is going to be soon. But you can see already gaming, DeFis, and many things in terms of infrastructure around this protocol. And like I said, using the DevNet usually has not been important for different airdrops, but in this case you can give it a try. It's very easy, and remember that sometimes this stuff doesn't work because in DevNet the developments are doing changes, so be patient. If something is not working, you can check it in the Discord about it. And in Twitter you can see 138,000 followers already. I recommend you to go to the Discord if you are interested in this protocol. And yeah, many news. They have been open about the protocol, the team members and everything. They are participating in Consensus 2024 on May 9. So yeah, a lot of information, you will find it here in Twitter. Now going to the stuff that you can do. I tried this a couple of times, sometimes worked it, the last time didn't work, but I'm going to cover the steps anyway. The first thing is that you will need to use the Razor wallet. So here I will put the link for the Razor wallet. So going here, you can download the Chrome extension and it's going to be a new wallet. So of course you will need to keep your key phrase safe, and when you open it you can see that you have here AVM networks. You have the MEAVM, the DevNet, the M1 networks, and the M2 networks here. So the three of these are the ones that are in DevNet right now that you can check. Once you have that, in the point 2 you can get faucet for this DevNet. So here you can see that you have the M1 where you can put your address, and you can click this if you want to put the address for the address of the MEAVM, or if you want the faucet, the move into the M2, you put the address here. So like I mentioned, those three addresses, you are going to find it here. So you go for the first one, for example, you can see I have 0.2, and you can only do this once per day, so I will get an error, but you can use VPNs or you can use proxies like Proxy Seller, one of our partners. Hey crypto fans, as airdrop hunters and crypto enthusiasts, we are constantly in risk of being scammed from protocols and people that want to drain our wallets and enter into our computers. That is why we partner with Proxy Seller for our proxy services. And the great about their services is that you can select many crypto-friendly countries, and you can even mix a package of different countries for your proxy services. You can select many of the different proxy options, including your residential proxies. And it's super easy to get it. You just select the country, then you can put the amount of proxies that you want. Let's say that I am farming with 10 wallets. Just click on buy, and here on redeem code you can put a referral CCS15, and you can see how the price downs a 15% for all these proxy services and 10% for residential services. So don't wait anymore, be safe as an airdrop hunter and crypto enthusiast, so you are always in control when you are online. Use our CCS15 refer code, and first link in the description is your link to get your proxies with us and Proxy Seller, in order to get tokens more than once per day. Now you can see if I go to the different networks here that I have some move tokens to use. These faucets are not working right now, but you also can receive and send. So after you do that, step 3, you can swap and enter liquidity in Resort DEX. Right now it's not working. It worked the other day, so remember this is DevNet, so it's worse than the testnet. People is still working here. That is why sometimes this stuff are not going to be working. But in Resort DEX, you will see that you can swap here. You need to connect, selecting your network, the M1 DevNet or M2 DevNet. So you can connect here using Razor Wallet or Nightly Wallet, and then you can swap tokens once you are connected here. And if you go to pool, you can add liquidity, and you will see the pools around here. The other stuff that you can do if all that is not working is that you can send tokens, so you can do transactions. I put here my addresses of this testnet account just for you to send something, and after you send it you can check it on the Explorer, so those transactions are going to be here on the Explorer. But again, remember that this is DevNet, we are super early, and usually this kind of stuff doesn't come for an airdrop, but for my perspective it's interesting to start following the projects from the beginning. And like I mentioned in a previous video, I'm starting to look projects early so we can enter to airdrops early and maybe get some advantage on that point. Now the rest of the points are, the point 5 is that you have the link here for the documentation, and the point 6 is that you can get daily points on Galax. They are testing this Galax, so like you can see here I already claimed the point. So you can go to the link that I posted, and you have 3 daily test quests that basically are visiting Google homepage again, a YouTube video from the protocol, and a Binance video for the new partnership. This is all testnet, so I'm not sure if these points are going to be valid after, or they are going to reset all the campaign. But for now you can interact, so it's really just 1 minute to check this link and you get these 20 points for the 3 things. So again, we are super early even for the community campaigns. So if you want to know more about all this, remember to go to the Discord where you will find more information. The same happened with the CLI. Right now there are no tasks on the CLI application, but you can check here regularly to start doing some CLI stuff if you want. And like I mentioned, point 8, you can check more in the Discord. For example, in that link you can see all this information and participate more on the protocol with the Discord. So yeah, that is basically all for Movement Labs. Remember, we are super early on this, but they already confirmed, and I personally asked that in the Discord if the testnet is going to be available soon, and they answered me that yes, the testnet is very soon going to be active. So as soon as that happens, of course in my Discord we are going to know it and start to check stuff, because now that Binance is here, if we add the Binance money into the 42 millions that they already have, I think this could be a decent airdrop in the future. And you know that sometimes they do NFTs and stuff for the early adopters, or even OG roles in the Discord. So that is why I think covering early is a good idea. If you want to be up to date with all the airdrops, you need to be in my Discord. I have a private Discord for you where we cover high level of information. It's a very exclusive group, and we have channels for airdrop claiming so you don't miss any of the airdrop claimings, new airdrops, specific channels for the bigger airdrops and a lot of help for you if you are new into airdrop, or if you are already an experienced airdrop hunter, you will find a lot of information for your journey, and you can add my application into the subscription. My app is going to help you to apply to all the airdrops quickly, to have everything organized, even if you are using multiple wallets. Because be realistic, you always will start with an Excel file, but if you are not an expert in Excel, you will be lost in a couple of weeks. As soon as you start to get into 10-20 airdrops, you will be completely lost on what you need to do each day. And in my last update, you can receive in an email the different tasks to do that week for the different airdrops that you are applying. So it's better to have this everything automatic. It's going to make your life easier, and airdrop hunting is going to be very easy for you. That will be all for this coverage movement on the DevNet. Be early on this airdrop. It could be important specifically for the community stuff at this point, but soon we are going to have the testnet. That will be all for the video, and I see you in the next one. Bye.